Hey, 24 hours come and gone. Let's get these bearings out of the freezer. Oh yeah, nice and cold. Let's go to the garage. So we're back. Here's the garage. Don't mind the mess I got in here. I got a ton of projects going on. All right, wheels placed on top of my bucket. I'm just using a plastic bucket to hold this up in case you're wondering. Now I'm just gonna heat the hub up. Okay, it doesn't take much heat. You just want it to warm it up. You don't want to get it red hot because this is aluminum. Just warm it up. All right, now that the hub's warm, take your bearing, put it in there. And we're just gonna slightly tap it. Just get it started. Make sure you're going in evenly. That's why I'm hitting all around. Now I have a big socket here. I'm using a 36mm deep socket. Fits just right over that thing. And that's it. Now you gotta make sure that the bearing is seated all the way down. Give it a couple more taps just to make sure. Seated all the way down. You'll hear a different sound when you hit it. So she's all the way in there. All right, so that one's in. Now we flip the tire over. Something that's very important is you gotta put the sleeve back in. Do not forget to put this in. So this is gonna go in. So we're gonna go ahead and heat the other side, the hub. That's good. Take the bearing. All right, I'm gonna start this in. Take my socket. Okay, at this point, I'm going to put this in, line it all up. I'm going to put my socket over it because this is a deep socket. It'll fit. All this is going to do, the shaft is going to make sure that pin stays right where it's supposed to be, or right where I need it to be. There you go. Guarantees that the pin's aligned and everything's in place. Wow, that came out really nice. Can you see it? And that's all there is to installing wheel bearings. Hey all, I hope the video was helpful. Got any questions or comments, please place them down below. I'll try to get to them. And if you could, I ask if you could help support the channel by sharing, liking, and subscribing. Thank you all. Bye-bye.